Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq, with a daily insight on the Nasdaq-100 index, or the NDX, which is made up of 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial innovative companies listed right here on the Nasdaq stock market. The NDX has been the barometer for U.S. large cap growth and also one of the best performing indexes over the last decade and a half. With just under 2 hours to go before the 4 o'clock New York close, let's take a look at our first chart today. The Nasdaq-100 is trading lower on the last day of October, but it looks like the index is going to get treats for Halloween based on its performance this month. You can see on the chart behind me just how we have had that significant move from the bottom of the chart all the way to the top of the right. Even though we are in the red today with Apple and Facebook beating on the quarter, we still finished October pretty well. The Nasdaq-100 and stocks in general, they continue to be focused on mixed U.S.-China trade headlines, a big rate rally, and softer U.S. and China economic data. U.S.-China trade still the most important issue for the market. Bloomberg reported that Chinese officials are casting doubt on the prospects for a comprehensive long trade deal with U.S., and Pompeo followed Pence in delivering a hawkish speech. However, Chinese Commerce Ministry said top trade negotiators will hold another call on Friday, adding that talks continue to go well. So both sides, they say that they're going back and forth. It's continuing to go well. They're working towards the signing of phase one deal next month, despite the cancellation of the APEC summit in Chile. So it's anyone's guess in terms of where this will go. Good opportunity for trading, a little bit frustrating if you're trying to get a longer term view on the market. Let's move along to our next chart here. Now, after the close, one Nasdaq-100 constituent is set to report, and this is Mercado Libre. It's a Latin American payments specialist, with its stock price tripling over the past 3 years and gaining more than 1,300% over the past decade. You can see that performance since it listed on Nasdaq nearly 10 years ago. It's been a great performing stock. So what we're going to be watching for this quarter is revenue growth, continuing profits as the company has made several investments to remain competitive with Amazon, and performance of payments. Now, we don't have any Nasdaq 100 companies reporting on Friday, but we will be watching the results of the October jobs report at 8:30 a.m. Eastern to further gauge the strength of the economy and the consumer. From the Nasdaq market site in New York City, I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.